Hello folks, so continuing on the video on minimalist phone, when I lock the screen, it is still colorful. I should probably work on that. And but when I open up the screen, it is not colorful at all, of course. There is the calendar, and I think this is my usual calendar, the Samsung calendar. Yeah, that's the Samsung calendar. And when I actually do this, it shows up the colorful screen and stuff, right? Oh, it's okay. And so when I come out to the home screen is where these people have this whole thing. And no more mindless scrolling through a mess of app icons where you could open. So if you just do this opening search, oh, so this is the search. This is not so it's not the app search, but it's just search. So okay, and if you want your clocks, awesome. So so no more mindless scrolling through a mess of app icons where you could open an app you didn't want to open. Think about the app you really want to open. Start typing the app's name. I mean that's how I usually do it. I do type out the app's name, WhatsApp and whatnot. But then when it looks colorful, you just click on it, right? I think I'm gonna actually control all of that, surely. And there's like too many apps over here. I don't want to see all of this. Display. I'm gonna actually do a lot of stuff and come back and talk more about this app. And yeah, I mean, so I have. I can actually just use the camera and the phone. Interesting. Can I actually say which phone to use? Okay, I can say that. Awesome. And which calendar to use, or even remove the calendar. Awesome. Okay. So can I remove the phone? Yeah. Awesome. Cool. So I can do a lot of stuff, right? So can I long click on this and tell which clock app? Awesome. Cool. So I think they've done a good job. $800, it's fine. I mean, I get paid to build software, so I think this is the first time I'm paying properly for software. Apart from software like Strava, which I paid 2K for, but I never used it at all. After some months, sad stuff, sunk cost. But anyways, so let's type the app WhatsApp. And it shows it up, right? But I don't want to open up WhatsApp. It's just a black hole, right? Okay, so that's all this is. That's all. And they still have, say, notifications, which is all colorful. So for this, they have to, almost completely change the OS level stuff, right? Make it minimalist OS. I would love that, I think. But here it's all still colorful, right? So you can actually have filters, it seems. So activate and minimize your distractions. So enable notification access. The very scary part about enabling notification access is that you're basically letting them access your notifications where you get stuff like some important information, like say OTPs, one-time passwords in your SMS, short message service, right? Which anyone can read, right? And use it up here and there and whatnot. That's the only scary part. And of course, I do provide SMS access, for example, to my expense manager, which can read OTPs, which can read also the expenses, like where I spend and all that, and accordingly show me that, hey, I've spent this much in this and all that. But anyways, I do want to avoid too much notifications. So notifications are a highly invasive element, of course, forcing you to switch tasks and interrupting any complex thoughts and all that. They also cause addictive behavior. Yes, they do. Activate this notification filter to minimize distractions. You'll still be able to see the filtered notifications and stay in full control of what is displayed and what is not. Press button and find minimalist phone. Okay, so if you want, okay, if I do this, minimalist phone, so basically turn on. So if you just turn it on, you say you'll be able to read all notifications including personal information such as contact names in the text of the messages you receive. This message will also be able to snooze or dismiss notifications or take action on buttons in notifications including answering phone calls. This will also give the app the ability to turn do not disturb on or off and change related settings. Okay, for now only Android Auto and Digital Wellbeing has this information and Smart View. I'm giving Minimalist phone also this access. So allow notifications from, it's all apps as of now. No, not all apps. Interesting. Just some important apps. Authenticator also I don't need it actually. Calendar. Yeah, okay. Chat. What chat is this now? Clock. Okay. Contacts. Okay. My bank apps. Yeah. Disk drive. Gmail. It's not very important. Kotak Bank. Meet. Messages is fine. Play Store. For now, fine. Uber. WhatsApp. Yeah, WhatsApp. I've taken care of notifications at the WhatsApp level, but Zoom, no need. Cool. So for now, I have just given access to some of the stuff. Everything else is like turned off. Right. Awesome stuff. And I can read them later whenever I want. Whenever I want to, right? And also manage the notification categories. In some applications, the notification categories are not even there. For example, in say Eat Club, if I actually open up the app info and look at the notification categories, they don't. Okay, they have it now. Offers, deals, and discounts. I mean, I would want offers, deals, and discounts in Eat Club only, but nothing else though. Like not in other apps, right? So some apps don't even have this feature wherein I can say I don't want these notifications at all. Like have categories, I want to switch off the categories. I would rather just switch off the whole set of notifications for now, or get notifications and then see them later, right? I need to check out how to see these notifications later. Interestingly, stuff is all turned off now. 3 notifications cleared, awesome. And time to drink, debit, okay, yeah. So they are filtering notifications, right? I think BWet and Axio, okay, yeah, Axio, I think I can get rid of it. Like, it's fine for now. I don't need it. Tasks also, I can just see them later. I don't want to see them immediately, just BWet. Maybe I'll just put it up, and I can easily clear all apparently and whatnot. So yeah, BWet. So I can't click here. I can't click here, right? Instead, I have to click exactly over here for the search to work. So just here, BWet, and it will remind me to drink some water. So it will be a bit distracting, but it's fine. So add your first favorite app now. Choose it carefully. Don't add any app you don't want to spend too much time on. Press and hold on the app in the list, right? So I don't really have any favorite apps. Probably the camera app, that's all. And is there a screen recorder app? No, unfortunately it's only on my, only over here, right? So it's only over here. So I just can't use it as an app, unfortunately. Let's see if I can actually long click it and then stop recording to change screens. Yes. Cool. So I just can't add it to my home screen anyways. So I don't really have any favorite apps. So maybe I can just add the camera app for now, which is kind of like a favorite for me. Timer deactivated. So add to favorites. Okay, it shows up here. That's all. Okay, cool. Oh, I do have my notes app. I love it. So keep notes. I love it. Cool. So those are the only. Is there any app you want to spend less time on? Try hiding it. Of course, all of the apps. So I will surely hide all the apps. So hide Hidden apps, okay. Can I actually hide? Oh, this will also do like refresh and all. Can I hide multiple apps at one go? I don't know. Right? Like, unfortunately, looks like I can't. So I just don't want to see so many apps on my screen, right? Why would I wanna? So, but can I actually search them even if I hide them, right? Say 112, I can't. Okay, awesome. So then, what is the point of that app being on my phone? I don't know. I wonder. So because I do want to actually say so hidden apps. So then, how do you unhide, open? Okay, so if you want to open, you come here and open it up, right? Okay, interesting. And move to folder, interesting. So I think I should just move a lot of these to folders and whatnot, right? Um, so hidden apps, you didn't hide any apps. To hide an app, long press on the app, and I want to be able to just click on it and just. You can also block any app for up to 30 days. Give it a try. Okay. What apps do I want to block? I would rather just uninstall itself. Um which one can we block? Which is the worst app? I don't really have any worst apps because I usually just uninstall them. Um, I think I'll just probably uninstall a lot of these apps, but do I want to block some app? Um, which is an app that I would just block? Let's just say, what is Borzo? I have no idea what I got this for. Sometimes I just install apps just like that. You know, Blinkit, Chalo. I don't think I'll be using Blinkit for some time now. I'll just say block, and you can block it for 30 days. Can you block it for more time? So, other apps you may want to block screen time in the last 7 days. See, I use a lot of my camera app and notes app, Chrome to read stuff, and WhatsApp. Yeah, I could actually block. YouTube for uploading and whatnot, Eat Club for ordering my food, Gemini AI to learn stuff, Maps for you know to contribute to Maps or just to go like Ola for travel, expense management, Axio, LinkedIn, networking, Clock for my alarm and stuff, Phone Pay for my payments, IRCTC for booking trains and whatnot, Slack is my work stuff, and then Gmail personal and work stuff. So phone, yeah, talking on phone. So interesting how they show me the screen time in the last 7 days. You spend 0 minutes on LinkedIn in the last time. Do you need a break? But don't want to install this app? Uninstall this app. Try blocking it for up to 30 days. So just block it. And what happens if I try to access? Oh wait, I'm not able to see it now. Blink it. If I access it, you have blocked. Remember, it was most likely for a good reason. So hold on, your digital detox is in progress. Close. So okay, so it doesn't allow me to open it up at all, right? So if I actually try to do this, and I can't search for any apps or open any apps like this. Interesting, right? So I can't open any app just like that. So cool stuff, right? So it's blocked, that's all. So if I want to unblock it, can I do something? I don't know, right? I don't think so. I should be very careful about blocking apps, I think. So monochrome mode, color influences how you interact with your phone and with your apps, and can extend the time you spend on. This effect can be especially noticed with apps that are highly engaging, such as social media. Viewing these apps in monochrome single color can help you reduce your screen time. Once activated, you will be able to control monochrome mode on a per app basis. Awesome. So this is basically what I want, which is I don't want color on most apps. Probably in some apps, because in some apps, based on color only, they show some stuff. I want to activate color only when I need it, right? Say when I want to view a photo where I need to understand the color of some stuff in it to understand about it. So, or say in IRCTC app, the train booking app, they show green to show that the seats are available, the booking has opened up. Until then, they show it in black, right? So let's see. To activate monochrome mode, the minimalist phone needs special permission that cannot be granted directly on the phone, but only from a PC. Interesting. The activation process takes approximately 10 minutes and requires. Okay, interesting. So follow instructions from this link. Uh-huh. And okay, just send it to myself for now. And okay, so looks like I need to exit. Okay, exit minimalist phone. Awesome. Back. So you can actually exit if you want. Back. Login. Let's actually, if you already have a minimalist phone, please have. I don't. How can I sign up? My payments. Right. Connectivity, and you can use the full version of multiple devices. How do I join the thing though? If you have a login, please enter associated email. Do not receive a separate account. Instead, the person is linked. Okay, interesting. So I made the purchase on Play Store, so I do not receive a separate account. Right on Minimalist, looks like Minimalist phone account is a separate kind of account. Instead, their purchase is like linked to their Play Store account. In this case, please proceed without logging in. Awesome. So I just need to have the app and my account, and that's all I need to do. So yeah, I think I'll use this for some time and see how it goes. Swipe up to search. For now, I'll disable it. I don't need it. I think swipe down to see notifications disabled. I'll just swipe down like this instead of swiping down directly like this, right? I don't want it to be so easy. So I don't want it to be so easy like this. I would rather just. So, and what is. So let's say I type out Avibus and I click. Oh, if I press enter, it just chooses the single app that is on there. I don't want to do that. Interesting. Anyways, what if I have multiple apps? Enter, it chooses the first thing. Okay, cool. So I don't even have to click. Interesting. And there is no up, down, and all that. So no up, down. I just have to, uh, and I want to hide a lot of these apps. I don't want to see so many apps on my list. Right. I'll probably get rid of a lot of these apps. It's just that I have to select each and every one and then hide them. And then what else? Version, cool. Branch reporting. What is this? I don't know what that is. Enabled. And can I put these all in a folder? Yeah, move to folder. I think I'll just move a lot of these to a folder. Almost every other folder I can find, or like just say that because most times I'm not looking for stuff. So I'd just rather move it to a folder. So no folder exists, create the first folder. First and tap on the new folder. I'll just say others and just put it on. Right, and move to folder, others. Now if I look for 112, it will come up. Okay, awesome. That's all I want actually. And I can do this also. Okay, awesome. Right, when I say branching is not available, what does it do? Disabled. And if I go here, I don't know what that branching thing is. Anyways, I'll probably ask it out. And join us on Reddit. I'm on Reddit. And Minimalist phone. View in Reddit app. Do I have the Reddit app? Use app. No, I don't have the Reddit app, and I don't think I should have it. I don't want to scroll more. Oh, I do have it. Damn it. Okay, so how much time do you want to spend on Reddit now? Interesting. Right, I would want to spend how much? Just 1 minute. Interesting. So every time you open up an app, they'll actually show you how much time you want to spend on it. Why do I have to active? Okay, Samsung capture. Okay, minimalist phone. Looks like minimalist phone will always be running on the background. Is that a good thing, bad thing? I'm not sure. I mean, how much battery it takes up and whatnot. And can I choose multiple apps and just move them to a folder or just hide them and whatnot is what I wanted to see. Because this is going to be cumbersome because I have too many apps. Probably I should get rid of a lot of these apps. It's just that I don't want to end up downloading these at the last moment, especially when I don't have much internet speed and whatnot. And I just want information or I just want to do something basic, right? So okay, so fortunately I'm just not gonna block it because I think block just if I exit, I think exit out of Minimalist app, I can get access to the blocked apps. I think, but I'm not gonna do all that. Um, cool. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and like move a lot of these apps to some others folder and whatnot, and ensure that I don't see them. Probably put ZZZZZ and others so that it comes at the end. Or I think folders come to the top, so others just comes at the top, even though it is O and not alphabetical order. I'm like, device settings, okay, and notification filter. Um, yeah, looks like there's like a lot of notifications. I'm glad that I can't see too many notifications, right? I would rather just and I don't want to see even this one. Five notifications cleared and whatnot. But anyways, what else? So can I actually just push this off? Yeah, I can push this off. Awesome. Display, color, theme, font size. Interesting. No, this is too nice. I would rather have something that's not nice because I don't want my phone to be looking really nice and all that. Color theme this. Color theme this. No, I think black and white is good. Use system theme. Yeah, I think system theme is the best. I think with just black and white somehow, or like I'll just say clearly black and white for now. Custom theme, I don't want any custom themes and all. I'm good. Font is good enough for me. Automatically set matching lock screen background. Okay, yeah, please do. So now my lock screen will also look different, I think, so that it's better for me. I don't want to see my lock screen to be very, very fancy. It did have some interesting stuff, but it's fine. I'll have that as a separate thing. Like I had some good posters and all. I'll take care of that separately. Have actual posters in front of me than on my phone. So because I can just see the poster in person and like actually than make my phone addictive by putting the poster on it and then be like I'll see that poster now and then end up using my phone too much. uh, cool, I'll probably check out this tutorial also. Oh, this is what I think was the initial tutorial, nothing extra. Okay, cool. Like the name says, they are very minimalistic. I think the idea of being a minimalist and all is pretty cool according to me. So I would probably be a minimalist. I'm gonna aim for it. It's easier that way. Things are very easy that way. It's boring, but I would rather choose boring than anxiety. I'll probably talk about that in a separate video. So yeah, that's all I had for this video, talking about minimalist phone app and trying it out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.